Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is a live which we are doing. So in this live, we are going to solve some greedy approach problems real time. My YouTube channel. This is live which we are doing. So let's try to code some problems. Which what is problems is insert interval. Okay, we have to insert some interval. You are given an array of non-overlapping intervals. Okay, and intervals is sorted in ascending order by the first character. Okay, you are also given an interval, that is new interval, that represent the start, another interval. Insert new interval into intervals such that intervals is still sorted in ascending order. Okay, we have to insert new interval into intervals so that intervals is still sorted in ascending order by the first character. Okay, and intervals still does not have any overlapping intervals. Merge overlapping interval if necessary. Okay, you have to merge it if it is necessary to overlap. If it is overlapping, merge them into one. And we need non-overlapping intervals, return interval after insertion. Note that you do not need to modify interval in place. You can make a new array and return it. Okay, let us get into the length of this. We can use big of n square because it is 10 to the power 4 size. Okay, yeah. So it is sorted, first of all, written that it is sorted according to the first character. Got it. And new intervals is there. You have to push it into the interval. And if it is overlapping, 1, 3, 6, 9. Okay. And we have 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is overlapping with the 1 and 3. So we can make 1 and 5. Okay, obviously, we can make it 1 and 5 and 6 and 9. Okay, got it. So this is what we are going to do. That we are going to get the, okay. Now take another example because it is so simple example. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. And you want to, and 12 and 16. Got it. Now you want to put 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Just this. Okay. Yep. We can make this as 3 to 10. Yep. 3 to 10. All. Taking all at once and so that the it is not overlapping. And overlapping, I think 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 is overlapping. I think so. Here. Because it is not written. So we are taking this as overlapping. Yeah. Okay. Now what we are doing, if you see nicely, that obviously it is sorted. Okay. Yep. And when we are inserting a new interval, we just have to take, see in which ranges it is going to cover. Like it is going to cover the whole 3, 5, 3 to 5, 6 to 7, and 8 to 10. So we have to change that. how to know that up to which interval it is taking? Uh, yeah. So obviously it is a sorted one. Okay. First character. Okay. Okay. So we are going to check the first of this, that is 4, and we are going to get the second of it. If it is greater, we gonna get the minimum, like the start of it. Save it. In the next, if you see this, obviously it is greater. No, sorry, it is less. If it is, let's say, greater, start is, here it is, it's greater. No, no, wait. What we are checking? Whether we're checking the second one or the first one. I think it should be the first one. No, if we see the first one, the one is greater. Three, three is also greater. So three is also less than. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Three is less than. You see the second one. For the second one, obviously four is greater. But its second one, that is five. So five is now greater. 7 is now greater. Wait, 10 is also greater. 16 is also greater. Doesn't matter. So we have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. First, get into what you are going to do, how to solve this problem. Just don't get into just coding, it will not help. 4 to 8. Okay. Yep. So it is 4 to 8. Okay. And okay. So see this thing, this thing gives the range. Start and end gives us range. Like with what is covering. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. This and okay. Okay. Um. Can be possible. It if you find, we'll start from here, let's say, and we come here. If its second thing is greater, store its this thing and then move on. Now, second thing, we'll check the first one. If it is less, first one is less, one less or equal, let's say this thing. Now it is greater. Yep. Hopefully I got it. We'll need a loop which will start from intervals n equals intervals dot size I less than n I plus plus if intervals of I zero or one is having one is less less than new intervals new interval has only new interval length 2. Okay, okay. 0 this thing is less than if it is less than this we can push it to our answer. We're gonna push back intervals of I, you can say. If it can be here also, then it is also greater. If it is here, then also. So else int start intervals I is 0. No, no. So think we got the start. And then we need the end also. For end, we need to move on up to its end. Okay. You got the start. You need the end. Oh, oh. So start and end obviously we need. If it is one less, no, it is greater also. Doesn't matter. So you have to insert something. Bro, what? Don't want this. I just want to get the. Okay. Some int. Binary search? Find the correct position to insert the new interval. Oh, oh. Wow. What? Binary search? Wait. What? How can a binary search will work? Okay, we need the first danda and we need the second danda. Yeah. Okay. For first danda, you need uh, it's a second. If we find the second is greater, then think we get this first danda. So from here, okay. Yeah, okay. I'm getting it in place. See, if you see the example 1 2, we have 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 10 12 16. New interval is 4 to 8. 4 to 8. Now you need output as answer. Okay, we need first danda, we need second danda. Yep. Okay. We are using a binary search. Let's think of that. So first danda is, let's say, starting from here. What do you do in binary search? Just eliminate things which is not in our answer. Just eliminate things. Pro not getting it though. Let's take it too. Try merging the overlapping intervals while inserting the new. Doesn't help. Can you try merging the intervals? Merging the intervals, overlapping intervals. The intervals which is overlapping, you have to merge that while inserting the new interval. While inserting the new interval. Yeah. No, bro. It doesn't help. This can be done by comparing the end of the last interval, yeah, with the start of the new interval. Okay, and vice versa. Can be done by comparing the end of the last interval. End of the last interval. Alright. Start of the first interval. Start of the first interval. Not getting it. Bro, this is a simple question though. But it is not, I'm not able to solve this. Like, okay, it is sorted. Got it. It is sorted according to the first limit. We just need, I was thinking like pushing one too. Okay. For second element, we need to merge it. Okay. New interval. End of the last intervals end, and with the start of the new interval, like that. Yeah. Yup. Yeah, I was thinking that only, like the last intervals. Second. If it is, let's say, if it is greater than the first, that means you have got the start. It can be here also. If it is here, it's equal, can be greater. So equal or greater is what we are thinking. Okay. To get the first, like the start of it, and to get the end of that, you just have to move from this, and for the end, we need to get the start, end of the new interval, and the start, end of the first interval. The end is, say here, no, start, end. Wait. Uh, huh. What? How to get the end? Pretty complicated, pretty much complicated. Got the start. How to get the end? Okay. I think we have to check the first of the last interval. So see if it is equal, or we can say it is greater. Then only we just have to, I think, uh, we have to we have to get the end. Yep. For start. Okay. Yep. And then just move on to the another and just push back that, because we have got the element which we need to push back, and just push the rest elements, the rest. Okay. Yeah, we can use the insert function which I have already known. So how to do this thing, like you want to push the element first, like the left of it. No, I'm not able to answer this nicely, but it's not working. Might be because, or locked. What? Why they locked everything? This is so much bad. Should not. Okay, no, that didn't lock. It might be because it is not working. How this problem is so difficult to think. I don't know. How this simple problem is difficult to think. Like insert intervals. Uh, how I'm gonna iterate? That's the biggest question, that how I'm gonna iterate. I don't know why there's only videos. I don't need videos. I need code in login. You need to sort what the f. I don't think you need to just sort anything. Lots of things you have written. I have to just read stuffs. Think about start and end when they are overlapping. Yeah, I was thinking that. So intervals dot pushback new interval. Okay, okay. Now sort it according to the first interval. Got it. Okay, first element is pushed. I start from here. If results previous element second is greater, yep, if it is greater or equal than the first intervals 0 8. Okay, new intervals, or you can say, yeah. Okay, okay. Yep. Hold my beer. Hold my beer. What? So if you see 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 10 12 16, and I have to just push that, and we have to sort it. So 1 2 3 5 4 8 6 7 8 10 12 16. Push it. Okay,